Hi guys, Dalton here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Cliniko, a practice management software that is designed especially for healthcare providers. If you run a clinic, work as a therapist, or manage patients and appointments, Cliniko is one of the most reliable tools you can use to simplify your daily operations. In this tutorial, I will explain what Cliniko is, how to create your account, give you an overview of the dashboard, and then I'll take you step by step through adding appointments, patients, and invoices. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how Cliniko works and how you can start using it in your own practice. If you are not familiar with Cliniko, it is an online practice management system used by healthcare professionals like physiotherapists, psychologists, chiropractors, podiatrists, and many others. It provides an all in one solution for managing appointments, patient records, invoicing, payments, and communications. One of the biggest advantages of Cliniko is that it is cloud based, which means you can access your account from anywhere using a web browser. Whether you're at the clinic, at home, or even traveling, you can check your calendar, view patient details, and send invoices in just a few clicks. To create your Cliniko account, open a browser of your choice and type in clinico.com. This will take you to the official Cliniko website. On the homepage, you will notice a Get Started button. Click on this button and you will be redirected to the registration page. On this page, you'll be asked to enter some basic information such as your business name, email address, and password. You also need to select your location, for example, your country name. After entering these details, check the box to accept the terms and privacy policy, and then click on the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you'll land on your account dashboard. But before you can start using it fully, a pop-up window will appear asking you to complete your profile by entering your first name and last name. You'll also need to confirm your country location. If needed, you can change the location here. When you're done, click on OK, let's go to proceed to the dashboard. The dashboard of Cliniko is designed to be simple, clean, and easy to navigate. On the left side of the screen, you will see the main menu. This menu contains the essential tabs such as appointments, patients, invoices, payments, products, expenses, contacts, communications, reports, and settings. Each of these tabs represents a core function of the software. Appointments lets you schedule and manage bookings. Patients contain the profiles and medical information of the people you treat. Invoices and payments handle your billing and finance. Reports give you analytics on how your practice is performing. And under settings, you can customize everything according to your clinic's needs. With this overview in mind, let's start with the basics. To create an appointment, go to the Appointments tab from the left menu and click on it. This will take you to the Appointments page where you'll see a calendar view. The calendar is displayed in a weekly format with each column representing a day of the week and each row representing time slots throughout the day. On the left side panel, you will also notice a smaller monthly calendar, which allows you to jump quickly to specific dates. Right below it, you'll find the Skip Ahead buttons, which let you move forward by weeks or months in just one click. For example, you can jump 2 weeks ahead, 6 weeks ahead, or even 12 months ahead, depending on what you need. In the same panel, you will also see the Practitioners section. Here you can select which practitioner's schedule you want to view. Let's say we have Jeremy Smith as a practitioner in this example. By selecting his name, the calendar will show only his availability. Cliniko also allows you to manage availability. Under the Availability section, you can set one-off availability, block off time when the practitioner is unavailable, or adjust reoccurring schedules. This is especially helpful if practitioners have rotating shifts. To create a new appointment, simply click on the time slot you want. For example, if you want to book Jeremy Smith on Friday, October 19th at 2 p.m., click directly on that time slot. A pop-up window will appear asking for appointment details. At the top of the pop-up, the practitioner field will already be selected, but you can change it if needed. In the type field, you can select what kind of appointment it is, such as first appointment or a follow-up consultation. Under patient, you can search for an existing patient by typing their name. If the patient is new, you can choose Create a New Patient directly from this window. You then set the date and time of the appointment. You can also choose if the appointment should repeat daily, weekly, or monthly, or simply leave it as none for a one-time booking. There is also a Notes field where you can add any specific instructions or information for that appointment. If the patient cannot be scheduled immediately, you can add them to the waitlist instead. Once all the details are filled in, click on the Create Appointment button at the bottom to finalize the booking. Adding patients to Cliniko is straightforward. From the dashboard, click on the Patients tab on the left menu. This will take you to the Patients page. At the top right corner, you will see a button labeled Add Patient. Click on it, and a new window will open where you can enter the patient's information. First, fill in the title, first name, last name, and if applicable, the preferred first name. You will also need to enter the patient's date of birth, sex, and gender identity. Cliniko also provides a field for pronouns to make communication more inclusive. In the extra information box, you can add any important notes about the patient. Under appointment notes, you can write details that will show up when this patient's appointments are viewed. There is also a privacy policy section where you can indicate whether the patient has accepted, rejected, or not yet responded to the clinic's privacy policy. Next, you'll find the Related Patients section, where you can link this patient to family members or others who are connected. Under Contact Information, enter the patient's phone number, email address, and full address, including city, state, postal code, and country. Cliniko also allows you to set communication preferences. You can choose whether the patient will receive appointment reminders and follow-ups by SMS, email, or both. You can also enable or disable booking confirmation emails and cancellation emails. Under the Billing Information section, you can add the patient's opening balance, concession type, or invoice-related details. Other fields include occupation, emergency contact, Medicare number, reference number, and referring doctor. Finally, at the bottom of the form, you can record the referral source for marketing purposes. Once all the information is complete, click on the Save Patient button, and the patient will be added to Cliniko. Finally, let me show you how to create invoices in Cliniko. Invoices in Cliniko help you manage billing for appointments and services. To create one, click on the Invoices tab from the left menu. This will open the Invoices page where you can search for existing invoices or create new ones. To add a new invoice, click on the Add Invoice button. This opens the new invoice window. At the top, the issue date will automatically be set to today's date, but you can change it if required. In the Business field, select the business name under which the invoice is being issued. In the Patient field, select the patient's name. You can search for existing patients or choose from the list. If the invoice is related to a specific appointment, link it under the Appointment field. The Issued to and the Extra Patient Info fields let you add additional details such as claim numbers or references. Under Invoice Items, add the billable services or products. In the Item field, type the service, enter the quantity, unit price, and, if applicable, a discount. If taxes are configured in your system, the tax rate will apply automatically, and the total amount will be updated accordingly. You can also add more items by clicking Add Billable Item or Add Product. There's also a Notes section where you can write remarks that will appear on the invoice. On the right side, you will see the Summary section, including total discount, subtotal, tax, and total amount. This section updates automatically as you add or change items. Once everything is ready, click on the Create Invoice button at the bottom to save and issue the invoice. That wraps up our Cliniko tutorial for beginners. Today, we covered what Cliniko is, how to create your account, an overview of the dashboard, and how to manage appointments, patients, and invoices. Cliniko is a powerful tool for healthcare providers, and once you get comfortable with it, you'll see how much time it saves in your daily work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.